Okay, so in our last lecture, I have showed you how we can add meta tags to our pages and how we can use that. Now, in this lecture, we're going to extract all that information that we have provided and put it in our Gatsby config.js file as site metadata. So basically what we would want to get here, we would need to delete that helmet, as we're not going to use that here. In the next lecture, we're going to create a component, an SEO component, where there we're going to provide our default site metadata, and whenever we load a new page, if we want to change the metadata for the current page, we're going to be able to do that. So let's first delete our helmet here, as we're not going to use it. I'm just going to copy and paste it here for the purpose of copying the information that I have used here, and I would want to add that to our site metadata. So whenever we use GraphQL, we're going to be able to extract that. So we would want to type description, and we would want to get our description here. That could be much better written. However, that's for educational purposes only, so let's stick with that. Let's add our keywords here. And for the robots meta tag, we're not going to add it here. We're going to add it in our SEO component later. However, we would want to provide some more information here. We would want, whenever we share that, we would want to have an image. For example, whenever you want to share that on Twitter or on Facebook, you would want to get that image for your website. So let's provide our image destination, which is in our statics folder, and let's provide the Gatsby here. So go here in the config, and we would want to get the static image of Gatsby, and we would want to also provide the URL of our website. Currently that's not deployed, it's on localhost 8000. However, let's provide a sample URL. Let's say that's going to be at our Gatsby org website. Whenever you deploy it, you're going to change that to the destination of your website. So I think this is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to create our SEO component. So let's continue to the next one.